Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. If you are new to my channel, I request you kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are already a subscriber and watching my videos, I really thanks and appreciate you that my videos are really helping you. I'm really happy. So in this video, we are going to install Ubuntu as an operating system in the VirtualBox. So let's get started that how we can install the Ubuntu as an operating system in the VirtualBox. So you can download the VirtualBox and Ubuntu ISO file from their official website and install that easily. Right. After that, just open the Oracle VirtualBox and go to the new button, and it will ask you that what is the machine name. So give the any machine name. I'm simply giving the Ubuntu as I'm going to install the Ubuntu. So my machine name is Ubuntu. Second is the folder where the machine will be get installed. So I'm using the default location. You can choose your preferred location as well. There is not an issue. Okay. After that, select the ISO image files where it is located. Right. After that, just skip the unattended installation. Just click next and give particular RAM to your operating system. So I am giving this much RAM and this much CPU to my operating system for the virtual machine. Enable EFI. Don't forget to enable the EFI and click on next. It will ask you that how much size you want to assign to that particular virtual machine. So I am saying suppose 35 GB and click on next. Just click on the finish, right? After that, just go to the settings, and inside the settings there is a journal. Go to the advanced tab in journal. Just select the shared clipboard and drag and drop to the bidirectional, right? After that, go to the settings and select the boot order, the optical one, and the hard drive to the second, and the network, and then the floppy. After that, just select the latest chipset and TPM to be 2.0. And if I the warning is coming up that 70% of the host memory we are assigning to virtual machine. So let me reduce this to 8 GB around. So that will be the fine one. And after that, just go to the display, right? Increase the display to 128 MB, the full, and just click on the audio. And audio, just enable the input and output of the audio. Just click OK. It will the simple setup or the settings for that virtual machine. After that, just click on the start and it will start up the virtual machine. It may take some time, so let's wait for the machine to be getting started up. So meanwhile, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. On this channel, basically you will learn a lot about things Java, Spring Boot, microservices, Angular, Node.js, and database. So lot of things you will learn. So please subscribe and support me in my YouTube journey as you are supporting to the other channels. So please subscribe my channel and also support me in my YouTube journey, right? After that, with this window will comes up, just select the Ubuntu Save Graphics. It will load up the operating system of the Ubuntu. It may take some time, so please wait for a while to get the Ubuntu getting started. And after that, we will be going to install the Ubuntu as a virtual machine. It will be getting started. Just let wait for that. Yes. So we can see here the logo is getting up and Ubuntu is getting loaded. So let's wait. So just wait for a few minutes, guys, because it is the first time uh, Ubuntu load on this particular virtual machine. So it will take some time to get things started up. So let's wait for that. And please watch the full video so that you doesn't get skip any particular step that is necessary for installing the Ubuntu operating system in the virtual machine or in the Oracle VirtualBox. So I request you please watch the full video and don't skip the video. Ubuntu is getting loaded, guys. It will take to some time. Mm, so mm, I think it will be getting started. Logo has comes up and now it will be up. Why it is taking so much time? It is up. It is up. Black screen is coming up now. Mm, why the black screen is coming up? Yeah, so the cursor is up here. Let's wait for that to load. Mm, Mm, 8 GB RAM I have given, it is fine, but it is basically because I have very less space in my particular system. So that's why it is also taking some time to load. So now the cursor is comes over here. Mm, yes, now it get loaded. It is taking up the time to load the graphics because of the my system space also very less. So it will not take the this much time always. It is just at the time of installation because it is loading the files from the ISO directly. So that's why it is taking up the time. It is saying it is preparing up the Ubuntu. Let's wait for this. Yes. Now it is asking for you the language to select. I am selecting the English. So just click on the next. There's an option try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. So we are going to install Ubuntu. Just click on the install Ubuntu radio button and click on next. It is the keyboard layout, the keyboard language. I am selecting the English US. Just click on next. I am using the wired connection. Basically, this is a virtual box, guys. So no particular Wi-Fi device will be detected. But if your host is connected to Wi-Fi or LAN, it will be considered as a wired connection. So I am using the wired connection. So just click on the wired connection and click on next. It is saying that current installation version is lesser. There is an update to that version. So let me update that version also so that no particular issue will comes up in the Ubuntu desktop installation. So installer update is there. So if any installer update is there at your time also, I request you to kindly update that, because it will help the installer to be the error free, right? So it will take some few minutes to download the latest installer update. So that's depend on the speed of your internet connection. So let's wait for this. Yes, so download is complete. It is validating and checking. It is mounting the installer, and it will be restarting the installer. Let's restart it. Let's click on the restart. It will restart the installer, guys. And really sorry for the background noise, guys. There is some construction is near my house, so that's why maybe the background noise is coming to you. So sorry for that. So this particular installer is updated and it is preparing the Ubuntu again. Let's wait for that installer to be available to be accelerate. Yes. So now again selection the language. I am selecting the English, and the keyboard layout next. Use wired connection next. Now I am using the default installation. If you need the other office tools, browser, games and such thing, you can use the full installation. But I need the essential one and the browser and the basic utilities. And so I'm using the default installation. And install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Yes. And download install for additional media support. Yes. Let's click on the next. It will take some time to install this particular OS, guys. So don't skip the installation. Just follow the full installation process so that you doesn't miss any particular step in between. So there is an option that you can do the manual partitioning, or you can erase the disk and install the Ubuntu on entire application, or means the entire particular what I say the hard disk that the, that we have chosen the while creating VirtualBox. So I am using the this one because I'm not an expert in partitioning. If you are expert, you can choose the manual partitioning according to yours. So I'm choosing erase disk and install Ubuntu. Just click on next and install that. So it will take some time to install, guys. So now you have to select the area in which you are living. So I am selecting the New Delhi, India. So this one is New Delhi, India. I am selecting. Asia Kolkata time will be the same. Just click on the next, and after selecting the next, it will ask you your name. My name is Piyush, so I am giving the name, or you can say the Ubuntu operating system. So let's give the name as a Ubuntu, and computer name also as an Ubuntu. Ubuntu username and password is also Ubuntu, right? So let me type the password again. I ask it will ask you that require my password to log in. So yes, if you do not want to make it active directory, do not select this. If you want to make your system as an active directory also, then select it and enter the details later on. So I am not going to select that use active directory. Just click on next, and it will ask you that which of the particular theme you want to select. So I am selecting the light theme. Let me click on next, and after that it will take some time. It will copying the files and install the system. So for that, meanwhile I'm pausing the video so that you can also do not get the disturbance from my side. So I'm pausing the video. Let's get installing the system. And if you want to check what the commands are being executed, you can just click on this particular terminal icon, and you will see that what commands it is getting running, and what it is getting installed. So for the meanwhile time, I'm pausing the video, guys. So let's wait for the installation to be finished. If any particular step will required in between, I will continue the video and will tell you that how we can do that particular step requirement. So let me pause the video for now.